something how this is what I made. That's from the other side. This is whatever, that particle board or something, $12 a piece. Well, what I was checking, basically this engine, I mean not this block, but the previous engine that had this head zone had water in it. The block cracked a long way on both sides, and I was wondering, and I can see the freeze plugs have moved on the heads, and I was wondering if this head is reusable or not. And that's basically, it was a weekend, so the machine shop is closed, and I was thinking, how can I do it, what can I do to kind of get an idea if it's any good or not. This is I didn't find anything better. Honestly, the better way to go is find a piece of metal and then make a gasket, flat gasket, just with the bolt holes, and do the same thing. Then it's gonna be perfect. But this was a quick way and cheap way to kind of see whether there is anything going on or not, and I don't see anything. I was looking at the intake inside of the cylinders, and here I don't see any water coming from there. I did 40 pounds. I sealed off this the breather, and I used the coolant sensor hole to put the water in it and pressurize it. On the other hand, it had a plug. I just took the plug off and did it the same thing. Head bolts, I did 3 steps because 22, 50 and 65. Well, of course, this particle board with water gets soft, it starts seeping from underneath, but that's not right away. That's after like a couple minutes of holding the pressure. But I guess if you got something obvious, you're gonna be able to find it. So that's one of the ways to kind of do it at home if you have something to pressurize it with. Alright, well, the way I make this thing, I put the old gasket on it, clamp it together, and drilled through it. Or you can just drill with the small drill bit and then drill it out. That's pretty much the way I made it. Well, that's one of the ways to kind of see whether your head is any good or not.